Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now.
Pork Solantulem, one of Goa's most treasured pork dishes that many outside of Goa have never even heard of. It's not a curry, it's not a roast, it's something in between, slow cooked until the pork is tender and spices are deep and smoky and beautifully balanced with the sannas of Kokum. Hi, I'm Laddie and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for pork solantulem. You'll learn the secret to locking in all the flavor without adding too much water. You'll also learn to achieve that perfect balance of sourness, spice and sweetness. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious pork solantulem. Step 1. Marinating the meat. Take half kg of boneless pork meat, preferably belly portion as it has a combination of meat and fat. Cut the meat into medium-sized cubes and place it in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Add 1 tablespoon of Goan vinegar. If Goan vinegar is not available, apple cider or palm vinegar can be used. Stir nicely, ensuring all the pieces of meat are properly marinated. Cover and keep aside for at least half an hour or even up to an hour. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. Take 1-inch ball of tamarind in a bowl. Soak the tamarind in half cup or 125 ml of warm water. Take 2 medium-sized onions and slice them. These onions will be used initially while cooking. Take 1 medium-sized onion and slice it. This onion will be added in the later half while cooking. 2 medium-sized green chilies. Cut them into 2 and then slit them. 1-inch piece of ginger. Cut the ginger into smaller pieces. 8 medium-sized cloves of garlic. Around 6 to 8 petals of Kokum or Garcinia indica. Take 3 Kashmiri red chilies which are mildly spicy. 2 Bedgi red chilies which are medium spicy. Break the red chilies into smaller pieces. Discard the stems and the fallen seeds. 1-inch stick of cinnamon which is lightly roasted. Break the cinnamon sticks into smaller pieces. 3/4 teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds which are lightly roasted. Half teaspoon of black peppercorns which are lightly roasted. 6 cloves which are lightly roasted. Half teaspoon of sugar. Half teaspoon of salt. Step 3. Preparing the ingredients for cooking. In a mortar, add the cumin or jeera seeds, cloves and the black peppercorns. Crush the spices using a pestle. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Once done, remove the crushed spices and save them in a bowl. Then add the ginger pieces and garlic cloves. Crush them using the pestle. Once done, remove the crushed ginger and garlic and save them in a bowl. After 15 minutes or more of soaking the tamarind, squeeze out the juice of the tamarind. Discard any seeds or fibers. Step 4. Preparing the solantulem. Place an open heavy bottom pan on medium-low heat. Add the marinated meat. Add the crushed ginger and garlic. Add the pieces of cinnamon. Add the crushed spices. Mix everything nicely. Cooking the meat without water for 10 to 15 minutes will make it tender and flavorful. Cover and cook for around 10 to 15 minutes. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. After every 5 minutes or so, open the pan and stir everything properly.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Then after around 10 to 15 minutes, add the tamarind juice. Add the kokum. Add the red chili pieces. Stir everything nicely. We have used fresh juicy kokum petals which give a nice color and sannas to the dish. But if you are using older dry kokum, then you will need to add extra few petals to get the perfect sannas. Cover and cook for around 10 minutes. Stir occasionally and add little water if required to prevent it from sticking to the pan. After around 10 minutes, add the 2 sliced onions. Stir everything nicely. Add half cup or 125 ml of water if the liquid in the pan has dried out. Check for salt and add if required. We added half teaspoon of salt. We also added half teaspoon of sugar. Stir everything properly. Cover and cook for around 10 minutes. Stir occasionally and add little water as required to prevent it from sticking to the pan. Do not add too much water as this is a semi-dry dish. After around 10 minutes, add half cup or 125 ml of water. Only do this if the water in the pan is drying out. Now add the slit green chilies. Stir everything properly. Cover and cook for around 5 minutes. Stir occasionally and add little water as required to prevent it from sticking to the pan. After around 5 minutes, add 1 sliced onion. Stir everything properly. Check if you need any more water. We added around quarter cup or 60 ml of water. Check for salt, spice, sweetness and sannas and add whatever is required. Cover and cook for around 10 to 15 minutes or until the meat is cooked. Stir everything nicely. Total cooking time will be around 45 to 50 minutes or more depending on the cut of meat and the level of heat. Once the meat is cooked, put the heat off. Whether you enjoy it with poi, sannas, steamed rice or bread, this dish has the power to turn an ordinary meal into something unforgettable. Let us know how it turned out in the comments. If you like this recipe, do share it with your friends and family members and help us spread the love for Goan cuisine around the world. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed. Delicious Pork Solantulem is ready.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.